In this video, we will talk about how to set up Windows 10 on VMware. Open VMware Workstation. Click on Create a Virtual Machine. Leave it as it is, and click on Next. Here, we need to add Windows 10 ISO file. For that, click on Browse. Select your ISO file and click on Open. Now, click on Next. Select your Windows version. In full name, enter your username. Then, password. Click on Next. Name your virtual machine. You can add different location to save your virtual machine files. Then click on Next. Add the disk size you want to assign to your Windows 10 virtual machine. Then click on Next. For more customization, click on Customize Hardware. The basic requirement for Windows 10 virtual machine would be 2 GB. If you want to run it smoothly, then you can assign 8 GB or more. And do not allocate more RAM to the virtual machine than your physical PC has available. Same goes for the processor. 2 processor and 2 core processor would work fine. For network adapter, leave settings as default. Same goes for USB controller. For sound card, you can add separate headphone or speaker. If you're looking for dual display, then you can change settings from here. After customizing hardware settings, click on Close, then Finish. All right, it's installing now. Let me fast forward it. Here, you can see we don't need to make it full screen. So yeah, that's how you can install Windows 11 on VMware. See you in the next video.